Hey, this is Matt with Coastal Compass, and today we're going to be giving you a quick tour of the Beachfront Butler Villa Junior Suite with the outdoor soaker tub at Montego Bay. It's got the room code BV. These rooms were some of my favorite, and they're really unique in that Sandals Montego Bay has recently expanded their accommodations past their main 3-room buildings by acquiring these smaller cottages further down the beach. This one sits in one of those, and it's further down, coming out right next to the Latitude's Overwater Bar, the Piano Bar, and the Jerk Shack. It's got plenty of extra space, that extra butler service, and while it's in a more secluded spot, you do get that nice view of the beach from the soaker tub on the balcony. If you like what you see and you want to book, we're happy to help you make that happen. Go to cctravelcompany.com and click Contact Us. If you want to book yourself, that's totally cool too. If you found this helpful, I have an affiliate link in the show notes. That really helps me out and makes a huge difference when you use that. Last, if you've already booked but haven't paid in full, you might qualify for my free concierge service, in which I will help you get all the good stuff set up to have the perfect vacation experience prior to your trip. Check out the show notes. I've got a link for that there as well. All right, let's get into this room and check it out.